How often do you discover missing estimates during sprint planning? The backlog looks full, but it isn't ready. And items are pulled into sprint planning before they're fully refined. Estimates are added only when the sprint is about to start. Teams don't struggle with sprint planning, they struggle with backlog readiness. Introducing Backlog Refinement for Jira by Applifare, built to help teams prepare their backlog before sprint planning begins. Start by opening the board you want to refine. From the More menu, select Backlog Refinement for Jira. The home screen shows all the backlog refinement meetings you've scheduled or been invited to. Use the search fields at the top to quickly find a meeting by name, moderator, or member. Select Create New Meeting to initiate a new meeting. Enter the details, including meeting name and the project query to get the necessary backlog information. Add the moderator and the team members for the meeting. Add your meeting link. Select Create to finalize the meeting. The created meeting will appear on your dashboard. To view the corresponding backlog of the project selected, click on View Work Items in Navigator. Now let's join the meeting. As a moderator, you can view your project backlog items on the left. You can also quickly revise the project query in the search bar if you need to adjust the scope. Once the work item is selected, a panel opens on the side, giving the moderator full control over refinement. Members can submit their votes for both the estimate and priority. Initially, the Reveal button is disabled, and it only becomes active once members begin voting. These estimation and priority fields can be configured based on your team's specific needs. Now, from the member view, participants can see the issue selected for refinement. Members actively participate by submitting their vote for the estimate and priority. If a member needs to change their mind, they can click on Revoke to withdraw their previous vote, submit their new selection, and finalize their input. Returning to the moderator view, you can click Refresh to ensure you see the latest vote updates from all members. Next, click Reveal to display the complete results. The analysis section shows key insights, including the average, minimum, and maximum estimates, and the priority vote frequency. Using this analysis, the moderator can then make a final decision, selecting one of the team's votes, or inputting a custom value for the final submission. Once finalized, you can instantly see that those votes are updated directly on your Jira work item as well. The final approved value are now synced directly to your Jira backlog. To set up which Jira fields your team votes on, navigate to the Space Settings page of the project board. Locate Backlog Refinement for Jira within the Apps menu, and select or write the desired estimation and priority criteria. Once the configuration is complete, the Backlog Refinement page immediately shows that the new estimation and priority criteria updated and is ready for use in your sessions. With our Rovo agent, refinement goes further. To explore this, from the project board, open Rovo and select the Backlog Refinement agent. You can ask the agent to list all backlog refinement meetings, including sessions you've hosted or participated in. You can also view summaries, or ask the agent to analyze a specific refinement session. The agent pulls together a structured summary, covering participation, discussed work items, and key signals, and highlights where estimates or priorities varied most. All discussed work items are listed with a direct link to quickly review them in Jira. With refinement happening before the sprint, planning becomes faster, with fewer last-minute surprises. Start your journey with Backlog Refinement for Jira by Applifare. Get in touch to know more.